Welcome to the MedicNow Solutions family. We're thrilled to have you with us. Whether you're in the field, at dispatch, or working behind the scenes, our mission is simple: give you fast, reliable access to the information you need to deliver outstanding care. The MedicNow application uses a modular design. Currently, there are 3 available modules: the Field Guide, Dispatch, and Hospital Notification modules. In this training, we'll focus on the Field Guide, the core module of the MedicNow application. Once your administrator adds you and assigns a user role, you'll receive an automated email with a temporary password, which you can change after first login. Your email address will be your username. If you don't get the email, please check your junk or spam folder of your mailbox. You can also download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to get started. You can also access MedicNow from any computer by visiting app.medicnowsolutions.com. This opens the login screen, giving you the same tools as the mobile app right on your desktop. Once logged in, you'll see only the features enabled by your organization's administrator for your user role. Let's walk through each feature on the home screen. You can browse all the features from here too. In the Protocols feature, you can view your department's treatment protocol sets. If multiple sets are available, use the drop-down at the top to switch between them. You can switch to adult or pediatric protocols from here. Once you access a protocol set, you'll see that protocols are organized by category. Selecting a category will open the list of protocols that belong to that section, making it quick and easy to find what you need. When you select a protocol from the list, you'll see the different levels or sections within that protocol. You can open a specific level to view just that section. You can click on Expand All to open the entire protocol at once. You may also choose to access only the medications in a protocol by selecting Medication View. If there are medications included, they'll be displayed on your screen for quick and easy reference. The Calculators feature gives you access to multiple clinical tools like COWS and RACE score, shock index, drip rate calculators, and many more. For each field, select or enter the appropriate information and a result will be calculated for you. We're always adding more to support your practice. The infusions feature lists commonly used pre-hospital infusions. If an infusion requires weight-based dosing, a calculator will be available right within the app. Enter the weight and check the detail according to the weight. The Contacts section includes important department numbers. They're grouped into categories by your administrator. If a number requires an extension, the app will prompt you to enter it. Just tap when ready. Drug cards provide general reference information on medications used in the field. These are a great study tool, but always follow your department's specific protocols and dosages. You can search for specific drug cards from here and see the details. Locations are selected by your administrator and grouped by type or category. Expanding a location shows additional details specific to your department's workflow. In the RSI dosage chart, you need to enter patient's weight to calculate the appropriate doses. Once you enter patient's weight, the app will display the dosage for the specific medications. The Shortcuts section provides links to external websites that matter to your organization. Think of this as a hub for fast access to your key resources. In the User Admin section, you will be able to view your user profile information. Click here to edit your profile. This is also where you are able to update your password. You can update your contact information from here. Once update your desired field, click to Save Change, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and download the Medic Now app from Google Play Store or App Store for your emergency medical response.